Okay guys, it's Monday the 6th of July today. I'm on the FTSE here. I'm currently in a trade. I just wanted to show you this one because I've actually traded off of this zone already today, off of this pin bar. This is a very nice pin bar setup. I took the market down. It is now lunchtime, so during the lunchtime period there is usually lower volatility in the markets. So right now I'm only looking for 10 points out of this market. You can see my entry is here. You can see my limit order is here. You can actually see the market has came down and touched the limit, but it hasn't triggered me out of the trade yet because the market needs to pop through by 1 point. The reason I'm showing you this trade is because it has a perfect piercing bar setup. If you watch my other video on the best candlestick patterns to trade off of, this is what I look for. It is the candles that I use on a daily basis. This piercing pattern has gapped up from the previous candle, and then it pierces at least 50% into this candle. The reason this is an even stronger signal is because this strong bullish candle, as you can see, my line here is at 6572. This bullish candle stops almost exactly on the line. If we actually look at the close, it's 6571.8 on this candle. So 0.2 of a point away from this zone. I've marked this in earlier this morning off of the daily chart. The reason I have selected this zone is because it's a strong support and resistance zone on the daily time frame. So what I was looking for is a signal within this area to sell. I've already had one today, as I've said. I've traded this down. I took this one for, it was about the same, to be honest. I think it was about 15 points. I let it pop through the CAM breakout level, which is right here. It's came back up. It's given me another signal, so I'm back in again. This shows you that your support and resistance zones can be used multiple times as long as you get the price action. As long as everything you're looking for lines up perfectly, you can take the trade, and most likely it will work out perfectly for you. So just a small trade. I just wanted to show you this because it has a piercing pattern. I don't think I've done a live video with a piercing pattern on it yet. And hopefully this one fills. It's came right down to the line. It's touched it. So we will just wait and see. Okay, thanks guys. Okay, that order has now filled. Let me move this out of the way. You can see this line here is popped through. The limit order has been accepted. A quick 10 points. As I've said, I don't hold positions for a long time over lunch, just purely because the volatility is a lot lower in the markets. The reason I got out of this trade here, the reason why my limit order was set here, is you can see, if I come along here like this, you can see the low here, the two tails touching here, and also the top of these two bars right here. So this is an area of resistance and support. So I just set my limit slightly above there, got out as it popped through, and that is me now out of the market. I'm going to drop up to the daily time frame just to show you how I identified this zone. So you can see here the market has gapped down. This is because of the Greek vote. They voted no. The market has then rallied back up. If we scroll across here, you can see this is the zone I was looking in right here. And here is the center of a double bottom, which tells me that it has the potential to be a strong resistance zone. If we come further across, you can see it's also been used here, almost to the pip. It's been used here. So that's three times it's been used, three powerful moves off of this zone. You've got one here, and one here. That identifies it as a strong support and resistance zone for me. I just set my alarm. I waited for price action to confirm. This one here, I got a pin bar. I traded this one. This one here is a piercing pattern, and I traded this one. Okay guys, if you do like this video, please do subscribe to Decisive Trading. There is a lot more trading videos to come, as I keep saying. Okay, enjoy the rest of your week.